Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And listen up, people, I got the Google Dark theme on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I didn't have to do anything to get it. I didn't have to go off into settings, or I didn't even have to go off into the Google Play Store to see if there was an update. I got up one morning a couple of days ago on my birthday, and I thought, what a great gift from Google. The dark theme mode looks awesome. Now, it's going to eventually go out to all the Android devices that are going to get this. Even iOS is going to get it as well. Now, I'm a beta tester for Google, and this is why they sent it to me first. And we're going to go off into settings to see if you got it hiding and waiting for you. And if there's anybody that knows a better way to get this without waiting on Google to send this out, then hit me in the comment section down below. I will pin that comment so everybody else can have an opportunity to download this awesome dark theme mode. Now, we're going to also show you how to customize your search bar as well. All right, with that being said, let's get started with this review. First, all you got to do is tap on the G, and this is what it looks like, people. It looks nice. It looks awesome. I like it because it brings out the photos a lot better. It makes everything look a lot nicer. The text is a little bit more legible as well. And of course, it's going to be easy on the eyes as well. Now, there's going to be a different look compared to what you see in YouTube. YouTube looks a lot darker so far as the blacks are concerned. This looks a little bit flatter, but yet it still looks nice so far as the dark theme mode is concerned. I'm finally glad that Google is on board with this because the dark theme mode makes everything look great. All right, so let's go in. Let's take a look at settings to see if you actually got it. So tap on more, go up into settings, tap on general, scroll all the way down till you see theme. If you got theme, you got it. Right? I'm going to tap on it. Now, let's say you don't like dark theme. You can tap on light and go back home where you belong. And also, me personally, I'm going to leave it on dark theme. But if you want, you could have it set by your battery saver, and it's going to automatically kick into dark theme mode once you get to a certain percentage. All right. Me personally, I'm going to leave it right here on dark theme because I think it looks awesome right where it's at. All right, but let's go up into the applications because I want to show you what applications has it. You would have thought it would have went through all the Google applications, but it has not. It went to a couple, and I'm going to show you which ones, but they said eventually it will start to trickle out through all of Google's applications. That's going to happen over time. But let's take a look at it. Google Chrome doesn't have it. Went up into settings, couldn't find it. Google Drive, it does have it. I don't use Google Drive, but if you use it, it's here. Duo does not have it, so don't even worry about it. Now, Gmail, I thought would have been one of the first ones to have this along with the feed, but it doesn't. But the widget does. They have a dark theme widget, but Gmail itself, not at all. All right, Maps, I thought would have been another one that would have got it right out the gate. It does not have it. I went off into settings. If I'm missing anything, please, again, hit me in the comment section down below. Give me a heads up on what I missed. All right. Now, Google Photos has it. All right. Looks nice. Not bad at all. And Google Play Movies has it. Now, what's weird about this, right? We got it on Google Play Movies, which I never go to this one, right? But you would think it would have went to the Google Play Store. Not at all. Again, I went off into settings. There was nothing there. Again, all we could do is just wait for it to get here. But for right now, this is all we have. And I'm loving the look of this one. Google, about time. All right, but let's take a look at how you customize the search bar, which I think is awesome. And what I really like about the customization of this, I have it red to kind of stand out and blend in with this actual photo and or wallpaper. It makes it look nice. You don't always have to keep it black because I changed it from black to this red. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at it, right? First, just tap on the G. Tap on more. This time we're going to go into customize widget, and it gives you an example for you to be able to see how it's going to turn out. And once you're done, hit done. All right. First, matter of fact, let's go off into default. This is what it's going to look like out of the box, right? This looks nice, but you don't want this black all over the place on everything you have so far as your wallpaper is concerned. You want to complement it. So you can customize the color thing, but let's take a look at a couple other things first. First off, you can change the look of the box. You can sharpen off the corners a little bit more. Me, I like this look a lot more. It flows better. And then here, you're going to be able to customize the color theme a little bit more. You could have it black and white, which looks awesome, or you could simply have a white based off of what wallpaper you have up at the time. Or again, you can leave it on G. But we forgot to show you something. Tap on G. If I want to, I can have Google spelled out, which I like, but I like the G a little bit better. Now let's go to customization of the colors, and here you go. So whatever color you want, you can set this to, and I thought it looked awesome. Thank you, Google. And you can also mess with the transparency and change the color a little bit, make it darker, make it lighter. Again, this is not a bad look for customization of the search bar, right? Let's back out again. Now this little drip drop is just customizing your transparency, see-through. That's all it is. All right. I think it looks nice just the way it is, but thank you, Google. So what do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this. I would like to know, have you gotten it already? Are you looking forward to it? And again, if you know a better way to get this without waiting on Google, hit me in the comment section down below. I will pin your conversation so everybody can get an opportunity to find out how to get this without waiting on Google to send the download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And make sure you subscribe as well. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.